Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of ICYMI. On today's episode, we'll be going over the new Xiaomi 11T flagship series with a 120Hz AMOLED display, 108 megapixel camera, and 120 watt fast charging. We'll also be taking a look at some iOS 15 features and when exactly it'll come out in Malaysia. Without further ado, let's start the show. A group of South Korean researchers used a GTX 1080 Ti to train an AI keyboard to make typing on a smartphone faster than ever. The Invisible Mobile Keyboard, or IMK for short, lets you type anywhere on the screen, and it'll know what you meant to type with great accuracy. The IMK learns the typing habits of the user to accurately give you what you've keyed in. Tests have so far shown that IMK users were able to type up to 157% faster compared to normal smartphone keyboards, with speeds of up to 51.6 words per minute. During the recent Apple event, they finally announced that iOS 15 and iPadOS 15 will be available September 20th. Normally, iOS updates come at around 10 a.m. Pacific time, which means that iOS 15 will probably be available 1 a.m. Malaysia time and September 21st. Here's the full list of compatible iPhone models. If your device can run on iOS 14, it will be able to support iOS 15. This includes the first-gen iPhone SE and iPhone 6s. The new OS brings portrait mode for FaceTime, focus mode, live text, and a lot more. If you have a compatible device, iOS 15 should automatically show up in your settings app on the 21st of September. Communications and Multimedia Minister Tan Sri Annuar Musa has announced 2 data packages, which provide affordable mobile data for youth and students to help them with their connectivity needs. The first package is called Package Remaja Keluarga Malaysia and provides 20 gigabytes for 30 ringgit, valid for 3 months. It can be utilized for anything, including video and gaming. The second one is called Package Peranti Keluarga Malaysia and provides free 4G packages on a 40 ringgit per month commitment on either a 12-month or a 24-month contract. These plans are available from 15th October, with more details from participating telcos soon. Having dropped the Mi moniker, Xiaomi just globally launched the Xiaomi 11T and 11T Pro. Both the Xiaomi 11T and 11T Pro have a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The screens also feature a 480Hz touch sampling rate and have HDR10+. Xiaomi has put a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC in the Xiaomi 11T, but bumps it to the higher-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC on the 11T Pro. They also get a 5000 mAh battery, but only the 11T Pro gets the 120 watt fast charging. So far, there's no word yet on local pricing, but the European prices have been announced. The 11T is starting at 499 euros, or about 2,450 ringgit, and the 11T Pro is starting at 649 euros, which is about 3,190 ringgit. Remember to tune in to our live and raw show on our Facebook page at 6 p.m. It's going to be a blast. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow our TikTok, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!